Yeah, what's up?
Dude, you gotta come next door. I'm in the treehouse.
Next door. What's going on?
I'm being attacked.
What is it?
Hello?
Yeah.
Are you coming?
Yeah, I'm on my way. Just gotta put my pants on. Shot me in the foot. Only got one bullet. Alright, that's all I need.
What are you doing, man?
Come here to kill you.
Why?
I can come here and kill people with this one bullet.
That's cool.
I got an idea. Why don't we do the back and back thing?
Sounds good.
Alright. Alright, on go. Yo.
Dean, mission accomplished. Okay.
Yes. All right, man. Good job. Good.
See you on
Good
the
work
flip side.
today. I'll see you.
See you, homie.
Yeah.